Hello guys, let's see the first conditional construct, which is the if else syntax. Now if else is used if you have two different flows of execution and you want to execute certain block depending on some condition. Suppose I want to write a program to check whether user entered number is even or odd. Then in that case, for a number to become even number or odd number, there is one condition. If the number is completely divisible by 2, then it is even, otherwise it is odd. So those kinds of programs I will implement using if else. If I want to check whether user entered number is prime or not, Armstrong or not, then for all those cases I will check for certain condition, and depending on the condition, whether condition is true or false, I will execute certain block. So syntax of if else is something like this. If is a keyword, after that parenthesis is there, inside the parenthesis I will write the condition, below that there will be block that will get executed if the condition is true, below that else keyword is there, and below else I will write the block which I want to execute if the condition is false. So let's see an example. I will implement couple of programs which will make use of if else. So let's start with simple program which is checking whether user entered number is even or odd. So for that I declare one variable num here, and for that number I take the value from the user. So I say that enter number scanf %d comma ampersand num. So if the number is completely divisible by 2, that means if num mod 2, mod operator I will use, it will give me the remainder. So if the remainder is 0, that means that particular number is completely divisible by 2. So I will say equals to 0. I will compare that with 0. So if this condition is true, then number is even. So I will print here even number, else I will print odd number. Name of the file is ifelse.c. So I will compile gcc ifelse.c. there is some error, missing semicolon. So here semicolon I need to give. Now if I compile, yes, to run it I will say /a.out. Enter number 12 is an even number, 15 is an odd number. So this is a simple program using if else. Now let me go for one more example. Suppose instead of integer I am taking one character value from the user, and I want to check whether that character is alphabet or not. So in that case what I will do, how to check that? So here there will be some character ch, say, which I accept from the user. So %c ampersand ch I have to say, and instead of enter number I will print enter character. Now what will be the condition over here if I want to check whether that character is alphabet or not? So for alphabet means it is uppercase A to Z and lowercase a to Z. So for that the ASCII value ranges are from 65 to 90 uppercase alphabets and 97 to 122 lowercase alphabets. So I will write over here if ch is between 65 to 90, so ch is greater than equals to 65, and logical AND operator, ch is less than equals to 90. So this is the range for uppercase alphabets, or for lowercase alphabet ch should be greater than equals to 97 and ch should be less than equals to 122. Then I will print uppercase, or rather only alphabet, else I will print the message not alphabet. So let me compile and run again. So if when I say uppercase A, it is alphabet. If I say lowercase r, that is also alphabet. If I enter some special symbol, then it is printing not alphabet. So this is how you will check for whether a user entered character is alphabet or not. If you don't know the ranges of the uppercase and lowercase alphabets, then you can directly put those characters in single quote. So uppercase A in single quote means it is ASCII value of A. Uppercase Z in the single quote means it is ASCII value of Z. Same for lowercase, so that I don't need to remember the ranges. Uppercase E alphabet, 8 number not alphabet. So it is still running. Now suppose I want to modify this code for specialization, like if user enters uppercase alphabet, it will give me message that it is uppercase alphabet. If user enters lowercase alphabet, then it will give me the message that it is lowercase alphabet. If user enters some digit, it will give me message it is a digit, and for special symbol it will display special symbol. So for that I need to check multiple conditions separately. So first condition, which is whether the ch is greater than equals to uppercase A and ch less than equals to uppercase Z, then I will say it is uppercase alphabet. Then else part will be there. Now it will go into the else part if it is not a uppercase alphabet. So in that else part I will check for the other condition. So if ch is greater than equals to lowercase a and ch is less than equals to lowercase z, then it is lowercase alphabet. And to that, if there will be else part, so when it will come inside this else part, it will come here if both the conditions are false. That means it is neither uppercase alphabet nor lowercase alphabet. So in that case I will check for digit. For digit the ASCII value range is from 48 to 57. If you do not know the range, you will say ch is greater than equals to single quote 0. Now you will put it inside the single quote because this is not a number, it is a character, it is a digit, and ch is less than equals to 9. Then I will print it is a digit. So here it will be digit. And to this, if there will be else part, it will come inside this else part if it is neither uppercase alphabet nor lowercase alphabet nor digit. That means only one possibility is it is a special symbol. So here I will print special symbol. So this is called as nesting. I am writing one if else inside other if else. So it is nested if else. Let me run the code. It is getting compiled ./a.out. When I say uppercase T, it is printing uppercase alphabet. When I enter say lowercase m, it is printing lowercase alphabet. For some digit, it is printing digit, and if I enter some special symbol, it is giving me that message. So this is done using nested if else. Now in if else there is one more syntax which is most popular, which is called as if else ladder. So if you are using nested if else, then instead of that it is better if you go for if else ladder. If else ladder means it is basically nesting itself, but we do not put the brackets of else explicitly. So how will I write this thing? Using if else ladder, it will be something like this. I will write second condition else if then condition, and for that condition the block is written over here. Then below that third condition will be there. So I will bring the if of third condition closer to the else of previous one, and below that I will write a block for that. And last else will not have any condition, so last else will be here. So this one is extra bracket, this one is also not needed. Yes, it is getting compiled. So this is if else ladder. If I run it, uppercase R, printing message, lowercase say L, then some digit and special symbol. So this is if else ladder. So this was about if else. In the next video we will see switch case. So I will see you again in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.